Hello my friends, this is Michael again with the Wupnik channel. Today is March 4th, 2018. Today I have something exciting for you. This here is the SOWTECH 3.5 bar steam espresso machine. This is a great new product from SOWTECH. The great thing about this espresso machine is it is a single knob machine, so not all these other floozy-woozy buttons and knobs and dials you don't need. Single knob, I like that. So you can make up to 4 cups of espresso with this machine. So 2 cups, 4 cups, whatever you like. Yeah, the steam pressure, as I already told you, is 3.5 bar, and it has a stream tube over here and a manual frothing function for creamy, thick cappuccino foam. So this whole espresso kit here comes with everything you need for making coffee and espresso and lots of other stuff. Here you see here is the shovel, or rather a spoon, and here is, well, to put the coffee here. Here is this thing, and of course the carafe here looks very nice. Everything in the package except of course for the coffee, which was provided by my wife. For me it was pretty easy to put the machine together. Yeah, there's nothing to it. Everybody can do it. I can do it. You can do it. Yeah, and look how tiny it is. I like it. Yeah, when you have a smaller kitchen, or for example you want to put it into your office, it will fit anywhere. I'm now going to make espresso, and for that you either use fresh beans or use pre-ground espresso powder, which is this here. Wow, it smells nice. Wow, yeah, this is espresso ground. It's very nice. It's very fine. And here is a shovel, I mean the spoon, and we will use to fill up the filter. Here you see the filter. Let's get out. Yeah, you see? Very easy to clean this stuff. Looks very nice. And I don't know if you can see that here. Maybe not, but here in the back you see maybe the indentation. Yeah, here is a marking for 2 cups, and here's a marking for 4 cups. Yeah, so right now I'm alone, so let's just make here 2 cups. Let's fill it up. Give me 1 second. Tap, tap. It's the first time I'm making espresso, really, first time. And here is the stamper, or whatever it's called, and now you see fits 100%. And now we press it down a little bit. Wow, 1 spoonful is exactly enough grounds for 2 cups. Yep, so you do it like this. And now this is all done, and you transfer the filter back into this wonderful funnel here. And now we have to place the filter into the espresso machine, which is usually a very easy thing to do because of the strange angle. I'm looking at it right now because I want that you guys see everything. I will reconnect it. Yeah, I have to. And now you just push it counterclockwise, and that's it. Yep, it's in. It works. So what do we do next? Well, guess what? We need water. And we open that thing here, and yeah, nothing. Okay, and now let's add some water. I'm using here this little carafe to do that. I added some water to the carafe here, and now let's just fill up the tank. And yep, careful. Yeah, and please use tap water. Don't use your super duper foofy bottled water or this kind of water. Just tap water. Tap water is just fine. Alright, and now you put this dome-shaped thingy here back onto the machine. You screw it down very nicely, very tight. Come on. Alright. Work. Yeah, that's tight. That's really tight. Next thing is you place the carafe on this removable thing here. Yeah, you can take it out for easy cleaning. very good idea. I like that. So, and now you place a carafe here directly under the funnel. Looks good. And then, of course, very important, when you want to have a result, please turn the machine on. Right now it's in off position, and in order to turn it on, you have to move it here to the little coffee cup symbol. And let's do this. And you saw, again, yeah, you see here, the little lamp is turning on, and it clicks a little bit. Yeah, and now I am on the coffee symbol. And let's see what's happening. I can hear it doing something. Yep. Well, this espresso machine is great. It starts to brew rather quickly. Yep. Can you see it's coming? Now a little bit like this. Yeah. There it's coming. This was fast. I mean, this is a great espresso machine. I really like it. Yeah, it's, wow. Yeah, I have added to the tank water for 2 cups of espresso. Ah, the smell. I love it. The smell is great. Nice aroma. Yeah. Yeah, because it works so fast. It is no problem in the morning when you get up. You just can make very quickly a cup of espresso. It's a very good idea. Nice machine. Yeah, very solid build. Yeah, we are approaching the 2-cup marking. Let's organize here somewhere a cup. Where are the cups? Lots of cups. This here is one of my wife's cups. Can you see what it says? Yep. Happiness is being married to a German. Yep, well, yes, she is married to a German. Huh. Oh yeah, it's a nice cup. So I will use this cup to drink my first self-made espresso. It looks like it's done, it's all done. Wow, the aroma, the smell, great, wonderful. Exactly 2 cups, great. This machine is so easy to use. Even I can use it. So, shall we try it? Yeah, it's still dripping a little bit, but the tray here is removable, easy to clean. Let's just do it. Let's turn the Wonder machine off, and let's go here. Up, up, up. Oh, the steam function. Oh yeah. Well, let's do first that here. Leave it on, and let's see. Can you see what I'm doing? Can you see? Yep. Yeah. So we do that here, yeah. Well, it's not the right cup for an espresso, but it must suffice for now. And here's also the steam function. I will try to use it, the steam function. It already started a little bit, so I've never used in my life the steam function. Well, it's 3.5 bars. So my friends, let me try it. Let me try the espresso. It's mighty hot. Okay, à votre santé. Oh, wow. This is good espresso. Wow, it's great. With this coffee maker, you can really do coffee house style coffee at home. It tastes great in my German cup, and it's very easy to use. Yeah, it's ideal for making an espresso just for one person. Yeah, it's in the morning. I'm getting up first, and then my wife, and so we both can just do a single cup. And maybe also you have a guest coming in. The guest wants to have one cappuccino or an espresso, very fast to make. You have seen how fast it went on, and you can make with this machine here cappuccinos, macchiatos, lattes, espressos. You can do everything, really. And of course it tastes great. Yeah, the aroma is just great. I have received this SOWTECH 3.5 bar steam espresso machine in exchange for an unbiased review which you have just seen. However, my experience with the product and the opinions which I have expressed here in this video is absolute 100% mine. Yeah, that I got here this machine for free has not influenced my opinion about it at all. It is a great machine. It tastes great. The espresso, it's wow, it's really good. Ooh. Yeah, I love it. So please check in the comments down there. I will put a link where you can buy this wonderful machine. It is also not so expensive. It will not break your bank. And yeah, this espresso machine here has earned a place in my kitchen. Alright, my friends, that's it for today. Please look out for my next video, which will come very, very, very soon. And please feel free to subscribe, feel free to like. I always need more subscribers. Support my channel, subscribe, okay? Well, have a wonderful, wonderful afternoon, and I'm signing off. I will see you later. Bye-bye.